Nutella with chocolate and banana.
Did you get us water?
Oui.
Je vais prendre juste une...
You see the car? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Taxi.
Mosh, what is this place?
I don't know.
It's like a marketplace, huh?
It's not so good, so I thought of
Oh, look at this, Mosh. Halal. It says halal. Look, falafel, kebab. Mmm. It smells good. Nugget.
Oh my goodness. I want the one with all those.
Pistachio. Wow.
It's the last 1 year conservation in the plastic, ladies, okay?
I feel like I want to get some.
Me too.
We just had a sample from here. It's so good.
I want to buy some. I'm so.
It's good. Pang sample lang tayo para. Nasa Louvre kami ngayon. And kung makikita nyo yung sa likod ko, lahat nakaganito. Hilera sila dun sa likod. Nasa pa. Tigiting isa. Hindi masya. Ay, wala na. They all got off. But kanina hilera nakaganon. Nakaganyan. Holding the tip of the pyramid. I don't know why, but yun ang uso na pose. Let me zoom in if you see it over here. Anyway. Oh, look at this. We have a Dear Mrs. Reyes. We got free macarons. We have a champagne. What? Today's our last day in Paris. And by the way, in Paris, we stayed in a hotel called the Metropolitan. Okay lang siya. You get a nice view of the Eiffel right there. Like, but unfortunately my construction, so we didn't get to see the whole Eiffel, which sucks. But at the same time, okay lang din. Di mo na siya mapapansin after. And look at si Odin nag-enjoy sa window. He points out at every cars that passes by. Tsaka, it's a suite room, pero yung parang regular hotel room lang if it's in the States. Because over here, like, their hotels are really small. Like this one, mayroon kang living room, bedroom sa likod right there, and then the bathroom way back there, And then there's a separate toilet on this side. So that's our hotel. Coffee maker, fridge. Shower amenities. What are you doing, Mom? What is that?
Relax, relax.
Oh wow.
He's very famous. After you must pay the copyright for him. He have YouTube channel. He have everything. He's the best here for it.
Alright.
People come from all over the world to see Hisham serving.
I like it.
Yeah.
Look how
And this is the place that we're gonna eat at. We're gonna cross the street. This is the place that Ate Ruby recommended, so we're trying it out. Thanks, Ate Ruby. Salad, appetizer. There's our food. Thank you.
Yes, cheers, Martin.
Mosh, how are you liking it?
I haven't tried it.
Oh, you haven't? It's good. But their portion ang liliit. It's good. There's another set of steak.
Tastes so good.
It's so good.
I come back to the French fries.
Sure, thank you. So once you're done, you could actually refill. They'll serve you again another set of what you ordered.
Tingin ako sa kanya.
Ah,
Maganda pa na lang.
smile, mommy. Yeah. What up? Hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the duck. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good job.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels and the doors in the bus go open and shut, all through the town.
The mommy on the bus
Go.
say shh, shh, shh.
The mommy on the bus say all through the town.
The mommy driver on the bus go beep 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 beep. The driver on the bus go beep beep beep